Fresh, pleasant morning in Bloomfield. The barrier we created around the perimeter, the bell tower is doing its job. See how quickly nature tries to take it back. We were in here, we mowed around here a couple weeks ago. So I thought this week I'd put some Roundup on there. And I want to move all this greenery, all the willows that grew up here over the last 50 years, get them cut up, have the fire department bring the chipper in just like they did down in the field next to the park. And it made real quick work of it, especially with the crew they brought out to help. So it'll be a good training day for them, very helpful to the town. In the meantime, try to keep these weeds down. The more of a buffer that there is for the bell tower, the more healthy it'll be, longevity, and it's a lot of work to keep trying to maintain this jungle that sits around the bell tower. So if we can just eliminate it totally, that would be best. I realize it's a lot of work, but it's also a good workout and a good cause. 22nd maybe, and everything has leaves on it. I got a gallon of water on each this morning, and I'll be doing that regular from here on out. Watering season.